Welcome to my channel, Eva from the Glitter Corner here, and some of you might have noticed that this week I had some problems uploading my last video, so I'm giving you here a super quick preview of what I'm planning for my next set. I was opting for a super light mermaidy aqua look, and I show you a little bit here of what that look includes. It reminds me somehow of my opal nail video that I did some time ago, and this look is quite similar, although hopefully not too similar. I was going for this mermaidy aqua look, and yeah, why didn't I upload on Thursday? I was actually preparing a completely different video, and then when I was reviewing my video material, I found that the video was super blurry and had not turned out quite as I wanted. So yeah, in preparation for next week, I'm giving you this short video as a kind of a preview, and I hope you like it. As you could see, I was preparing the nail plate with a milky white gel polish, and then I came in with some rainbow paper to prepare a little bit of colorful, shimmery depth on the nail. And now I'm mixing a blue gel polish and a purple with a lot of top coat in order to make them more transparent. And with those two gel polishes, I'm coming in, working over the nail plate. And as always on camera, it looks quite white. Sorry for that. Yeah, I was trying to create a bluish, purpley but very light translucent look. I hope it turns out better by the end of the video. Well, as you could see in the preview at the beginning of the video, I think it turned out quite beautiful actually. I'm in love with this kind of look for summer. So after creating the first layer of these two colors and curing in my LED lamp for 60 seconds, I'm coming in with some iridescent angel flakes or mylar flakes, and I'm just placing them especially in the bluish background of the nail, and without any rhyme or reason, I'm just swooshing them over the nail. So once that's done, I cure again and come over the entire nail with another layer of my top coat. And then in the end, I just came in with one of my chrome powders. As you can see, so far no description in the video. I will list all the products that I've used in my longer video. Hope to see you there next week. And sorry, thank you for watching this super short video. Until next week, bye.